Water Treatment Plant at Aruvikkara. The construction of 75 MLD Water Treatment Plant near Aruvikkara Dam in Thiruvananthapuram District was taken up by Kerala Water Authority for the augmentation of Thiruvananthapuram Water Supply Scheme under Amrit Project. The work was awarded to Messrs. Chicago Construction International Pvt, Thiruvananthapuram. The work started on 26 October 2018 and completed on 31 December 2020. The project was inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra DamodarDas Modi on 19 February 2021 in the presence of Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala Shri PinarayiVijayan. The treatment of water involves extensive processes. The source of water is Aruvikkara Dam, which is built across Karamana River. The raw water is pumped to the WTP using a mild steel pipe of diameter 1000 mm with the help of two pumps. One pump is submersible centrifugal with a capacity of 650 horsepower and the second one is centrifugal with a capacity of 600 horsepower. While one among the two will be working, the other will be on standby. A substation equipped with 3.3 kV, 1000 kV ampere indoor transformers is used to operate these pumps. The water is then fed to 7-layered cascade aerator of diameter 11.80 meters. The water coming into the aerator is then subjected to aeration process. Aeration is to bring water and air in close contact in order to remove dissolved gases such as carbon dioxide and also to oxidize dissolved metals such as iron, hydrogen sulfide and volatile organic chemicals. Aeration is often the first major process at the treatment plant. After the aeration, the water enters the flash mixer through a raw water channel. There are 3 flash mixers measuring 1.7 into 1.7 into 3.2 meters. In the flash mixer, coagulant chemicals like alum and lime are added. And the water is mixed quickly and violently to distribute the chemicals evenly for the purpose of creating flocks. The detention time for flash mixer is 60 seconds. A chemical house for the chemical processing of this plant, an alum-lime solution tank, and mechanical equipment for agitation are in place. Controlled chemical solutions are added to the raw water as per requirement based on raw water quality. Water from the flash mixers are then led to a flocculators through a 600 into 600 mm gate valve. There are 3 flocculators measuring 13.5 into 13.5 into 3 meters. Flocculation is a process by which a chemical coagulant added to the water facilitates bonding between particles, thereby creating large mass which are easier to separate. After that, the water reaches the clarifier having 3 units of size 13.5 into 13.5 into 3.5 meters each. Plate settler technology is adopted in the clarifiers. A total of 618 plates of size 2.2 meter into 1.5 meter into 0.7 millimeter are arranged in each clarifier units for clarification. The lamella clarifier consists of a series of closely spaced SS flat plates inclined at an angle of 55 degrees. Preconditioned water with entrained solids enter the plate pack and flows between the plates. The path length, plate spacing, and the angle of the plate are the usual engineering variables. As the water flows between the pairs of plates, the heavy solids with a specific gravity higher than the surrounding water will settle onto the top surface of the lower plate and slide down the inclined surface to be collected in the sludge hopper. Clear, near solid-free water then exits through the top of the plate area and flows over an adjustable weir to the collection trough. After clarification, the clarified water enters the filter bed through a clarified water channel. There are 2 filter houses in the plant with total 24 filter beds, each bed measuring 5.2 into 6.6 into 2.7 meters. Rapid sand filtration is the method used in these filter beds, and it is a purely physical treatment process. As the water flows through several layers of coarse-grained sand and gravel, relatively large particles are held back safely. Each bed has 56 perforated PVC lateral pipes, each with a length of 5.2 meter and a diameter of 90 millimeter for clear water collection. For chlorination of filtered water, 1000 kg of chlorine gas cylinders are attached to 2 chlorinators with 15 kg per hour vacuum feed capacity. Necessary safety precautions have been provided at the WTP. As part of that, the neutralization pit is set up near the chlorine room. The chlorinated fresh water is then stored in 2 clear water sumps, each measuring 17.2 into 32.28 into 3.5 meters. From there, 4 horizontal centrifugal pumps of 350 kilovolt are used to pump the treated water to the brake pressure tank through 1000 MS spirally welded pipe of length 587 meters. The circular brake pressure tank of 3.25 meters has 3 chambers with a height 5.6 meters and another chamber with a height of 7.2 meter above it, which is currently used to supply water to the PTP zone by gravity. Above that, a chamber of 3.25 diameter and 11.5 meter high is used to supply water to the Aruvikkara zone. A brake pressure tank is also referred to as a brake pressure chamber. In this tank, water is permitted to discharge freely in the atmosphere, which reduces the hydrostatic pressure to 0. This WTP is fully automated with supervisory control and data acquisition. Electrically operated actuators are used to control the valves of the plant's filter gallery pipe systems. The plant is equipped with modern laboratory facilities to test the quality parameters of raw water and the fresh water produced. The backwashing of filter beds is done with water and air. For that, a blower room equipped with an air blower has been provided. Also, a recycling system has been installed here in order not to waste the water that washes the beds and to utilize the rainwater that falls on the roof here. It is equipped with an extensive substation including a 3.3 kV, 1250 kVA transformer and associated equipment. An indoor LT transformer of 400 kVA transformer has also been installed for the operation of the plant. An on-grid 50 kV solar power plant is also installed over the clear water pump house, and generated power is transmitted to KSEB grid. The plant is designed by Chicago Construction International Pvt Limited with the approval of WASCON, the design wing of the Kerala Water Authority. The 5-year operations and maintenance of the WTP is also being attended by Chicago Construction International Pvt Limited. The plant is situated on a 3.5-acre campus, which includes chemical store, chemical house, pump house, office building, laboratory, blower room, and SCADA room. From here, 75 MLD of fresh water is supplied daily to the Thiruvananthapuram Municipal Corporation. Qualified technical operating staff and chemical experts are working on 24/7 basis for the continuous supply of treated water from the plant.